Every meeting feels important at the moment, like a transformative change in progress, until 2 days later, when everyone's like, wait, what did we agree on again? You're not alone. Around 27% of people feel the same, as they lose track of their action items almost instantly after the meeting window is shut. Thankfully, AI meeting agents and note takers now do the remembering for you. Curious to know who these saviors are? Let's take a look at the top AI agents for meetings. Topping our list of reliable AI meeting agents, we have ClickUp, the world's first converged AI workspace. It's an all-in-one platform that takes the scattered components of your meetings, including notes, action items, and reminders, and turns them into meaningful work. With ClickUp's AI agents, you no longer have to manually sort out pre-meeting and post-meeting tasks. From creating context-based agendas to following up on progress or sharing answers after the meeting, these autonomous agents can do the heavy lifting for you. Instead of leaving action items undecided, AI agents instantly create and assign tasks, send reminders, and track progress. It's just like having a personal post-meeting autopilot, built for focused execution. Powering these actions is the ClickUp AI Note Taker, the silent MVP that joins your calls, listens to every word, and shares a neatly labeled transcript directly in your ClickUp inbox. It gives you a complete recording, clean summaries, decisions, and takeaways in one cohesive ClickUp doc. Using this comprehensive transcript as the base, ClickUp Brain can help you find key moments, highlight words, or get critical answers without needing to replay or read through the whole thing. ClickUp Brain also acts as your context-aware assistant that drafts agendas, summarizes discussions, and even suggests next steps, all based on what your team's already doing. Want all this power on your desktop too? Download ClickUp Brain Max, the desktop AI super app that can schedule your meetings for you in one prompt. A final pro tip? Using BrainMax, you can ditch the AI sprawl of a dozen subscriptions since it brings all the latest AI models into one app. Beyond all this AI muscle, ClickUp offers a feature-rich platform, which can be a bit challenging to learn, but is so worth it. Next on the list is Otter AI. Just like an active participant, Otter joins your calls automatically, transcribes in real time, and shares a clean summary before you've even left the Zoom room. Got a 1-hour meeting? Otter turns it into a 30-second digestible recap that actually makes sense. The Autopilot agent takes notes for you, so you can stay in the conversation instead of typing like a maniac. It knows who's speaking, picks out key points, and lets teammates comment or assign follow-ups, all while the meeting's still happening. Sure, it can trip up on heavy accents or long imports in the free plan, but it can be a good choice for fast, clear, no-fuss notes. What Otter AI leaves behind, Fireflies picks up with its laser focus. Fireflies joins your calls, transcribes everything in real time, and even tracks how long everyone talks. Yep, you'll have the data to see who dominated the meeting. Its searchable transcripts mean you can find that one golden idea from last month's meeting in seconds. Just type the required keyword and boom, the insights are there. What's cool is how it builds an entire knowledge base from your meetings, tagged by topic, sentiment, and even tone. You can create playlists of clips like top client objections or feature requests and share them across your team. If Fireflies maintains team playlists, Avoma builds the whole playbook. Avoma automates everything for you: note-taking, scheduling, guidance from a chatbot, and even revenue forecasting. However, Avoma's real strength lies in conversation and revenue intelligence. It can spot real-deal risks, forecast trends, and coach reps all in real time. Its AI coaching agent scores each call made by sales reps and shares personalized feedback based on various sales methodologies. Consider it a smart AI sales analyst that can be a bit pricey to leverage, but effective nonetheless. In case Avoma's sales assistance is not relevant to you, Sembly AI can be your straightforward note-taking agent. It auto-joins your meetings, listens in, and neatly turns every discussion into transcripts, notes, and smart insights. No record button needed. What sets it apart is precision. Exportable transcripts with timestamps, speaker tags, and even structured sections for problems, risks, and solutions. It's perfect for teams who treat meetings as data, including compliance, research, or product folks who want searchable, shareable archives. The trade-off? Navigation feels a bit old school, and large file exports can lag. But if you seek accuracy, Sembly delivers. Not every team wants a steep learning curve. Some just want an AI agent that gets it right away. That's Fathom for you. It records your calls, highlights key moments with a single click, and turns them into summaries and action plans, all before the meeting ends. Fathom also supports 38 languages fluently, so your meeting notes stay clear no matter the accent, region, or team. While the setup's simple, installation can take time, and copied notes include video links you may not need, but it's nothing you can't tackle. Coming to our last but not least pick for this list, TLDV claims the space with its efficiency. It records, transcribes, and summarizes every meeting, then pushes action items straight into Salesforce, HubSpot, Asana, or ClickUp, a smarter way to keep track of tasks. You can tag key moments live and generate shareable clips, complete with AI titles and summaries, which makes it perfect for team handoffs. The only catch is that the TLDV mobile version lags, and clips can take time to render on long calls. But hey, with all these AI meeting agents in your toolkit now, you've got plenty of power to work smarter. From simple note takers to advanced analysts, we brought you the best AI agents to optimize every meeting for you. However, if you're looking for the one that does it all, ClickUp should be on your radar. Sign up today to experience it yourself.